In the world of digital content, whether you're a blogger, marketer, small business owner, or freelancer, there's one common challenge: creating content that not only captivates your audience, but also ranks high on search engines. You might spend hours researching keywords, tweaking your strategy, or trying to analyze your competitors, all while juggling tight deadlines and budgets. And when your content doesn't perform as expected, it feels like all that effort goes to waste. Outsourcing is an option, but it often comes with hefty costs and inconsistent results. That's where Surfer SEO steps in. It takes the guesswork out of content optimization by providing data-backed insights, ensuring your content ranks high and engages your audience, all while saving you time and effort. In this video, we'll dive into Surfer SEO, a powerful tool designed to take your content optimization to the next level. We'll explore how it uses data-driven strategies to help you create content that ranks higher and performs better, all while simplifying the SEO process. Introduction to Surfer SEO. Surfer SEO is an innovative optimization tool that transforms how you approach content creation and SEO. With features like real-time content editing, in-depth competitor analysis, and comprehensive keyword research, it empowers users to craft engaging, SEO-friendly content with ease. Whether you're just starting your SEO journey or are a seasoned professional, Surfer SEO streamlines the process, making it easier to boost your rankings and enhance your online visibility effectively and efficiently. Now that you know what Surfer SEO is, let's take a closer look at its standout features that make it such a game changer. 1. Content Editor. The Content Editor is your personalized SEO assistant. It analyzes top-ranking pages for your keyword and gives real-time suggestions like word count, keywords, headings, and even the number of paragraphs. It's like having Google whisper the secrets of success into your ear. 2. SERP Analyzer. Ever wanted to know what's going on behind the scenes of the top results? The SERP Analyzer dissects competitors' pages, revealing their strategies. You'll discover their backlinks, page speed, word count, and even hidden keyword gems. You become Sherlock Holmes, but for SEO. 3. Keyword Surfer Extension. For all the Chrome fans out there, the Keyword Surfer extension is like having a crystal ball for SEO right in your browser. It gives you search volumes, keyword suggestions, and data on any query without even leaving the SERP. Perfect for on-the-go optimization. 4. Audit Tool. The Audit Tool is like a report card for your website. It compares your page to the top-ranked ones and tells you where you're falling short. Think of it as constructive criticism from the search engine gods, helping you climb the ranks with precision. 5. Grow Flow. This AI-driven feature provides weekly tips on what steps to take next to boost your website's ranking. Whether it's adding more internal links, tweaking keywords, or updating old content, Grow Flow nudges you in the right direction, making SEO management feel less like a task and more like leveling up. Next, I'll walk you through a quick tutorial to show you exactly how to use these features to your advantage. 1. Sign up and log in. Start by signing up on Surfer SEO's website. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with a clean dashboard full of SEO goodies. 2. Choose your tool. Decide which feature you use based on your goals. If you're writing new content, dive into the Content Editor. If you're optimizing existing content, start with the SERP Analyzer or Audit Tool. 3. Enter your keyword. Type in your target keyword and location. Surfer will fetch data from the top-performing pages in that niche. You'll get recommendations on word count, keywords, and even the structure of your content. 4. Implement suggestions. Follow Surfer's guidelines to adjust your content. Whether it's keyword density, headings, or media, the suggestions are right there to guide you. You can watch your content score improve in real time as you apply changes. 5. Track and adjust. After publishing, keep an eye on your ranking progress. Use the Grow Flow feature to receive weekly tips and adjust accordingly to stay ahead of your competitors. Now that you've seen how it works, let's explore some real-world applications and how Surfer SEO can boost your content strategy. 1. Content creation. If you're writing blog posts or landing pages, the Content Editor gives you the exact framework for SEO success. It's like having a cheat sheet for making Google love your content, helping you target the right keywords and structure for higher rankings, ensuring your content stays relevant and engaging. 2. Competitor analysis. Use the SERP Analyzer to study the competition and understand what makes them rank higher. You'll uncover strategies you can incorporate into your own SEO game plan, giving you an edge over your competitors by adapting their winning tactics and identifying gaps in their strategy to exploit. 3. Website audits. The audit tool helps you find where your website is underperforming and what needs fixing, from backlinks to keyword usage. It's your personal SEO mechanic, allowing you to fine-tune your pages for peak performance and improve rankings, ensuring that every part of your website works like a well-oiled machine. 4. Keyword research. With the keyword Surfer extension, finding new keyword opportunities becomes second nature. Whether you're conducting full-blown keyword research or need quick data on the fly, Surfer has your back, providing valuable insights right in your browser, helping you target the right phrases to attract your audience. 5. On-page SEO optimization. Surfer doesn't just tell you what to do, it shows you how to do it, especially when optimizing pages for SEO. Whether you're working on metadata, structure, or keywords, Surfer delivers actionable insights to get your pages ranking fast and efficiently, ensuring that your content not only ranks but also converts. But what truly sets Surfer SEO apart? Let's dive into its key advantages and why users love it. 1. Data-driven insights. Surfer SEO provides real-time, data-driven insights that are based on actual top-ranking pages, making sure you're always working with the most accurate info. This means your strategies are backed by solid data, not guesswork, helping you stay competitive. The platform continuously updates its data, ensuring that you are always aligned with the latest SEO trends and search engine algorithms. 2. User-friendly interface. Whether you're a beginner or an SEO expert, Surfer's interface is clean, easy to navigate, and loaded with helpful guides and tips. You don't have to be a tech wizard to understand its features, making it perfect for anyone looking to improve their SEO game. Plus, its dashboard is intuitively designed so you can access important tools quickly and efficiently without any fuss. 3. All-in-one SEO solution. From content optimization to keyword research and competitor analysis, Surfer covers all SEO bases so you don't have to juggle multiple tools. Everything you need for SEO success is under one roof, saving you time and the hassle of learning different software. This all-in-one approach also ensures better workflow and consistency across your SEO efforts, streamlining the entire process. 4. Real-time feedback. The content editor's real-time suggestions allow you to optimize your content as you write, helping you get it right the first time. You can see your SEO score improve live as you implement the suggestions, giving you confidence that your content is on track to rank. This immediate feedback loop helps you avoid costly SEO mistakes, ensuring that your content is polished before it goes live. 5. Affordable for all levels. Surfer SEO offers pricing plans for all budgets, making it accessible to everyone from freelancers to large enterprises. Whether you're just starting out or managing a massive content strategy, there's a plan that fits your needs without breaking the bank. Plus, the value provided in each tier makes it a cost-effective solution for boosting rankings and growing your online presence. Of course, no tool is without its drawbacks, so let's also take a moment to consider some potential disadvantages you should be aware of. 1. Limited free features. Although the keyword Surfer extension is free, most of Surfer SEO's powerful features are locked behind a paywall. While the free trial provides a glimpse of what's possible, unlocking its full potential requires a paid subscription, which can be a barrier for small businesses or individual users. For those on a tight budget, the cost might feel restrictive, especially compared to free or lower-cost alternatives. 2. Steep learning curve for beginners. Despite its user-friendly interface, newcomers to SEO may still find the data overwhelming. It takes time to fully understand and utilize all of the tools effectively, which can make the platform intimidating for SEO novices. Some users may need extra training or guidance to fully grasp advanced features, which adds to the initial learning investment. 3. Data sensitivity. Because Surfer relies heavily on data from top-ranking pages, the recommendations might sometimes feel too rigid. This focus on data-driven optimization can limit creative freedom, especially for unique content that doesn't follow traditional SEO patterns. In some cases, this rigidity may lead to content feeling overly mechanical or less engaging for readers. Conclusion: Surfer SEO is a game-changer for anyone who wants to optimize their content and rank higher on search engines. Whether you're a blogger, digital marketer, or business owner, Surfer SEO offers intuitive tools and real-time insights to help you get ahead of the competition. It brings together data, analysis, and actionable recommendations in one tidy package. Plus, with its affordable plans and constant updates, Surfer SEO is a tool that grows with you. Surfer SEO also provides keyword research, content structure, and on-page SEO suggestions, making it easier to create content that resonates with your audience and search engines alike. With its user-friendly interface and ad-driven capabilities, it's the ultimate companion for boosting your online visibility and staying competitive in the digital world. Fun fact about Surfer SEO. Did you know that Surfer SEO originally started as an internal tool for a Polish SEO agency? They were so successful with it that they decided to share the magic with the world. Now it's helping over 10,000 marketers and businesses worldwide optimize their content. There you have it, Surfer SEO in all its glory. If you're ready to take your SEO game to the next level, hit that subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Your content deserves to rank, and with Surfer SEO, you can make that happen. Don't forget to stay tuned for more fun SEO tools and hacks to keep your content fresh and fabulous.